You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this town in Italy, in Campania in the south, in Italian, and how you can easily say in English if you're looking at how to pronounce more Italian and more biblical names too. Stay tuned, we've got many more coming up. Italian pronunciation here. Pietrelcina. Pietrelcina. Yes, the C is pronounced like CH because it's before an I, and that's Italian pronunciation. Pietrelcina. English pronunciation. Pietrelcina. Pietrelcina. I know it's a bit of a mouthful. Pietrelcina. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.